Alright, so here we are. We'll have a 2x going across right here, and that's the reason why we left the plywood hanging past. Also going to be a 2x going down through here. You'd be surprised how strong that little 6-inch overhang is. It's not going to sag. I've never had one sag yet in 15 years. And we use OSB too, so if you're wanting to say, I make the mistake sometimes of saying I'm plywood this thing, but I'm using OSB. It's not plywood. Get it? People say I can't glue EPDM directly down to plywood. I think you need to go to EPDM.com and find out the specifications, because that's a mistake. You can glue this stuff to brick, for crying out loud. This rubber that I use, glue it to brick, glue it to block, anything. Anyways, my other camera's dead, so you're gonna have to watch this video in order to see the rest of the last video. So here we are with video 2 of 2. LOL.
Better? Yep. Oh, too far in.
Huh? Where?
Oh, right there. That's good.
That's your subfascia. That's going to hold your metal all the way down the face. Make it look really nice. Real nice. Be better off work your way up from the bottom on them ends.
Get it hold in place for it.
Okay.
Start working.
There you go. Yeah, now you can screw it down all the way.
Yeah, I tried to paint so I wouldn't have to paint up against it.
Yeah, you're fine. You're fine.
I did good, huh?
You did good. Here we go. Chris cutting my metal. Billy down there loading up with turn bar screws. We come straight down the front. And you'd be amazed at how strong this is on this edge. Come over here and stand on this edge. Yeah. What you weigh?
160.
160 pounds. Back off on it. Get back on it. Doesn't even move. Doesn't even move. His toes are hanging over the edge. So that's how strong that is for all you doubters. And we come straight down, straight back, and then from here we bend a piece of metal, leave about 3/4 of an inch down here so that we can, if we have to, it's a little short or something, like from here to there it's a little bit short, you can bend that metal in. But you don't want to make it too big all the way down through here, because it will be pushed out here in the face, and you don't want it to be tight on the face. Go back and then bend this little flange in if you need to make it tight. So I'll show you how that works here in a minute. All right, you got it, Billy. Thank you. Yeah. Flush it up down there at the end. Give it a little bit of overhang, about an 8, so we can do a nice fold around. I like it. Oh, that looks good, guys. Wow. Yes, sir. Look at that. Simple as that, guys. See that flange at the bottom? That's for screwing our turn bar screws in the bottom. We're using stainless steel nails up here at the top. That's what we're nailing in now, stainless steel. We just pull it up nice and tight to the 2x4 that we've ran, which is the sub fascia, just like you did just there. Put a nail up there close to the top. Yes, sir. Keep them right there at the top. That's the best place to have them. Beautiful. Look at that. All right. And then this part here, he's coming down here with a square, kind of running, squaring up this stuff here. And like I said originally, if you have this right here, it's not touching right there, that doesn't matter. That's what this flange is all about. You're going to take that flange and bend it right in like that. Do that wherever you have to do that, all the way down through here. Push back and tight in the front. And wherever you have to do that right there. This is the biggest end of the trailer. It actually gets smaller down through there. So we just picked a number and went with that number, and this is gonna work out just fine. Once this is pushed back tight, it works really nice. Billy comes down here through here, putting turn bar screws in. At the end, he'll come down to the middle, do it again. Come down the end, do it again, then it'll fill in the middles. Billy, you see? All right, we just need a measurement down here. You need a measurement for the end? It's not gonna be a full piece. Not gonna be a 10-footer. Right. There you go. Billy's finishing up screws here. That's what it ends up looking like after you put your plywood on and your 2x4s around it. And then the fascia metal, call it coil stock. You can buy that at Lowe's. Everybody uses it. Looks pretty good. A few more screws here and there. Getting ready to put some rubber on this beautiful thing. Excuse me, I'm walking. For another piece with a nice at least 6-inch lap. Plenty of overhang over here for your termination bar. And throw it on there. Fold this thing in half, glue it down. This is the glue. Yeah, glue it down. Might not get it.
What?
She passed.
She did?
Yeah.
Good. Congratulations, sweetie.
I need a quarter drive. Yeah, because the one you gave me this morning don't fit. Well, you gonna need one too? Hey, your bag's right here, Billy.
Hey.
I ain't worried about it. Nope. It pulled over and plastic pulled out. Be good. Yeah, this. Just got this thing in time. Just in time. Just about got caught in a rainstorm.
We don't have the burner.
Don't worry about it. Never said anything about it.
Okay.
That's how to do a seam real quick in the rain. Finishing it up. Termination bar is on. Chris is cutting off the overhang.
Done.
And that's what she'll look like when you're finished. Man, that looks nice. Definitely changed the look of this thing. Do a quick walk around, everybody. See what you got. Now, this is the way we do our project. You can obviously add to it if you'd like. Letting you know we're done.
Oh, they're done, honey. They didn't put the antenna back up.
This one, yeah.
Shoot.
It looks great, though. They did a great job.